kids. Children, today I am here with a new topic in EVS, that is our body parts. Children, we have so many body parts like eyes, nose, ears, tongue, neck, shoulders, hands, legs, fingers, right? And each body part has different functions. मतलब कि सारे बॉडी पार्ट अपना अलग अलग तरीके से काम करते हैं, राइट? But among these body parts we have 5 sense organs like eyes to see, मतलब कि आँख से हम देख सकते हैं, nose to smell and breathe, ears to hear, tongue to taste and skin to feel. Children, these sense organs are very important for us. Children, do you want to listen one nice story related to this topic? So let's listen.
Kids, before going to our today's topic, let's hear one story. These are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. एक बार क्या हुआ, ये सारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स साथ में बैठे थे और उनमें फाइट हो गई. Do you know why they were fighting? They were discussing that who is the most important organ. सबसे पहले कौन आया? Eyes. उसने बोला कि मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ because I am 2 in number and other thing because of me you are able to see. मेरी वजह से ही तो आप सब देख पाते हो. ये बात सुनकर दौड़ते हुए ईयर्स आया और उसने बोला I am also 2 in number and because of me people can hear, so I am most important. ये सब सुनकर नोज आया और बोला I am important because of me people can smell and breathe. मेरी वजह से ही तो आप सब जिंदा हो, so I am important. तभी टंग आई और बोली because of me you can taste the food. खाना खट्टा है, मीठा है, तीखा है, ये सब मेरी वजह से ही तो पता चलता है और मेरी वजह से ही तो आप बोल पाते हो. स्किन दौड़ते हुए आई और बोली कि बिकॉज ऑफ मी यू कैन फील. मेरी वजह से ठंडा गरम ये सब कुछ आपको फील होता है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हु इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. दे डिसाइडेड टू गो टू मैम एंड आस्क हर दैट हु इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. मैम सेड see all of you are equally important because of all do different work. अगर आप में से एक भी अपना काम ठीक से नहीं करेगा तो इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द पर्सन टू लिव. तो आप सब इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट हो.
सो किड्स, डिड यू हर्ड दिस स्टोरी? सारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स कितने इम्पोर्टेंट हैं हमारे लिए. सो लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट इट.
Now we will see how many sense organs are there. How many sense organs are there, kids? Yes, there are 5 sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now we will learn the spellings of it. Which is the first sense organ? Eyes. Now what is spelling of eyes? E Y E S. Eyes. Now the second, which sense organ is this? Nose. Now what is spelling of nose? N O S E. Nose. Now the third sense organ, which is this? Yes, ears. Now what is spelling of ears? E A R S. Ears. And what is this? Tongue. What is spelling of tongue? T O N G U E. Tongue. Now how to split and learn the spelling? T O N G U E. Tongue. One more time. T O N G U E. Tongue. Now the last sense organ. Which is it? Skin. Now what is the spelling of skin? S K I N. Skin. Tell me, what do you do with your eyes? Yes, we see with our eyes. And what do we do with our nose? Yes, we smell with our nose. And we also breathe with our nose. Right? Now, what do you do with your ears? We hear with our ears. And what do you do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. And what about the skin? Yes, we feel with our skin. Okay, kids? Now, kids, we will write all the five sense organs together. The first sense organ, which was the first sense organ? Eyes. So, we have to write spelling of eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Second, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And third one was ears. Spelling of ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Fourth was tongue. Spelling of tongue is T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Now, fifth, last, skin. S-K-I-N, skin. These are five sense organs. Now we will learn the spellings of body parts. Which body part is this? Hands. We work with our hands. We write with our hands. Yes. Now what is spelling of hands? H-A-N-D-S. Hands. And which body part is this? Legs. We walk with our legs. We jump with our legs. Yes. Now spelling of legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Now we will write all the body parts spellings. So we have already learned sense organs, five sense organs. Now which are the other body part? Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. And seventh is legs. We walk with our legs. What is spelling of legs? L-E-G-S. Legs. These are 7 body parts.
Kids, this is your EVS book, and in this book open page 3 to 32, and on this page our new topic is our body. So let's read. Our body has many parts. मतलब कि हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं. Each part has different functions. मतलब हर एक बॉडी अलग अलग तरह का काम करती है. फंक्शन मीन्स उनका काम. Let's read our body parts. Hair, eye, lip, chin, shoulder, wrist, navel, palm, finger, leg. Now this side, head, ear, nose, cheek, mouth, neck, chest, elbow, arm, knee, foot, toe. Now on next page, page number 333, here is functions of body parts. Now let's read our first sentence. We have 2 eyes. See, we have 2 eyes and we see with our eyes. Kids, what do we do with our eyes? Yes, we see. हम देखते हैं, right? Now we have 2 ears. How many ears do we have? Yes, we have 2 ears. We hear with our ears. हम क्या करते हैं ear से? सुनते हैं. Yes, hear means सुनना. Now next is we have 1 nose. कितने nose हैं? 1 nose. We smell and breathe with our nose. हम nose से क्या करते हैं? Smell करते हैं और सांस लेते हैं. We have 1 tongue. Yes, children, we have 1 tongue. We taste with our tongue. Tongue हमें कहाँ मदद करती है? टेस्ट करने में. different types of food. Spicy, sweet. Okay, kids? Our full body is covered with skin. हमारी बॉडी किससे कवर्ड है? स्किन से. We feel with our skin. और हम स्किन से फील कर सकते हैं. Now turn your page, and on page number 3434 we have 2 hands. हमारे पास कितने hands हैं? 2. Our hands have 10 fingers. कितने fingers हैं? 10 fingers. We work with our hands. और hands से हम क्या करते हैं? Work करते हैं. We have 2 legs. We walk with our legs. How many legs do we have? We have 2 legs and we walk with our legs. Right, children? Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes to see, see यानी देखना. Ears to hear, hear यानी सुनना. Nose to smell and breathe. means smell करना और सांस लेना. Tongue to taste, skin to feel. Now on next page, page number 3535, play way exercise. Exercise number 1, to be done orally. Now our first question is, what do we do with our hands? We work with our hands. Second question is, how do we see? We see with our eyes. Question number 3, what do we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. Question number 4, how do we walk? We walk with our legs. Question number 5, how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Okay kids? Now exercise number 2. Write the correct numbers in the box. See children, one example is given here. Ears, so how many ears do we have? Yes, 2 ears. Now eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. So we will write here number 2. Now this exercise you have to do on your own. Exercise number 3, match the following. See children, here one side body parts are given, right? And the other side its spellings are given. So what we have to do? We have to match the body parts with its spelling. So our first body part is nose. So let's find it. Where is nose? Here. So we will match it. Okay kids, now you have to do on your own. Now on next page, page number 3636, here is exercise number 4. Look at the pictures given below. Write the correct part of the body from the options given in the brackets. So here 2 eyes are given here, right? And I see with my dash. Here 3 options are given. Which is the correct option? Ears, eyes, nose. So what is the correct answer? Yes, eyes. So we will write here EYES, eyes. Now like this way you have to complete the whole exercise.
Now children, take out your EVS notebook and we will write sense organs spellings and write the heading sense organs. Now what is the first spelling? EYES, eyes. You have to write 5 times, okay? Now let's draw eyes picture. First we will draw curve. 2 eyes we will draw. Eyeball, eyelashes. Okay, this is a picture of eyes. Now the next spelling. Next spelling is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. How to draw nose? And you have to write 5 times. And then now the next spelling is ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Now let's draw the picture of ears. And you have to write 5 times. Now the next spelling. Skin, S-K-I-N, skin. Now let's draw. First we will draw hand. Joined with curves. This is a hand. And how do we fill? Yes, we will draw a mug. What is there in the mug? Hot milk. Now on the next page we will write tongue spelling. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. And you have to write 5 times. Now children, let's draw a picture of tongue. First we will draw lips. Curve, curve. This is your tongue. Now children, take out a new page and write sense organs again, and we will write all the sense organs spelling in a one page. First spelling is eyes. Number 2, nose. Number 3, ears. Number 4, skin. Number 5, tongue. Like this way you have to write in your EVS notebook. Now children, take out your new page and we will write spelling of body parts. First we will write the heading. And what is the first spelling? Hands. 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 You have to write 5 times. Now let's draw a picture of hands. First we will draw 2 standing lines, thumb, and then we will draw standing lines. 5. And then join with curves. Slanting line and joint. We will draw another hand also. First we will draw thumb. Then again we will draw 5 standing lines. Joint with curves. Now in the next line write the spelling of legs. Legs, legs. Now we will draw, how many legs do we have? 2. We will draw 2 legs. Standing line, curve, slipping line. And we will draw 4 lines, slipping lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join with curves. And small curve. Again standing line, curve, standing line, curve. Again we will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And joint with curves and curve. Like this way you have to complete this whole page. Now children, take out your new page and we will write all the spelling of body parts. First we will write the heading. Now the first number, write eye spelling. EYES, eyes. Number 2, NOSE, nose. Number 3, EARS, ears. Number 4, SKIN, skin. Number 5, TONGUE, tongue. Number 6, HANDS, hands. Number 7, LEGS, legs. Like this way you have to complete this whole page.